Apple Freeform got some minor updates in iPadOS 17, not enough to make me consider using the app. At the WWDC 24 keynote, I caught a glimpse at some changes that might make some of us reconsider using the app in iPadOS 18. Fantastic human. Hello, it's Robsy with Paperless X. When I cover the updates in Apple Notes, I wasn't able to use the Scribble-to-erase gesture, but one of you guys was kind enough to teach us how it works. Typically, in most handwriting apps, and in this case, Nebo, this is the app that first introduced this gesture, all you need to do to erase your notes is simply scribble over what you want to erase. But in Apple Notes, after scribbling, you must keep your Apple Pencil pressed against the screen to erase. So it's a similar setup to what you get when drawing shapes in the app. That's where we missed it. It's not yet as good as they presented it at the WWDC keynote though, but we look forward to seeing that. Sadly, we can't use this feature in Apple Free Notes, and we hope to see it. Apple introduced connectors to Apple Freeform in iPadOS 17. And in iPadOS 18, they simply polished them. At first, I thought this was going to be an insignificant update, but when I tried it, I actually liked it. The connectors automatically snap and adjust to linked items as you move them around the page. We can also move the linked items together, which just makes moving things around the canvas a lot easier. And we love that it just works so well without much effort from our part. Scenes organize the information on your board into smaller sections that help you make sense of it. They also help you navigate the different parts as well, which we love. On an infinite canvas, you can lose track of things very easily. I recently experienced this in Margin Note 4. That really made me appreciate this update that Apple is actually letting us organize our whiteboards. The idea is that as you keep building on the canvas, as you keep adding more information, it becomes bigger. Now, finding anything on such a big canvas becomes impossible without a search tool to quickly locate items. Freenote does not have an option for you to search through the contents of your boards. That is why we love scenes. I can quickly jump to shapes and back to handwriting. Instead of scrolling to manually look for them. This also helps when making presentations from within the app, where each scene in a presentation can represent a slide or a topic. I first saw this concept in Zoom Notes a few years back. The idea didn't make sense until now. You can create scenes from empty boards and those that already have notes. And for each scene, you can rename it to help you remember what it's about, just to label it. Apple Freeform also has an option for you to replace scenes, which I found quite useful. So you can replace any scene with the scene that you're currently on. A scene is basically everything that is visible on your screen. And we really like how they've made this very easy and very simple to use and understand. You can rearrange your scenes and even delete them. But by far the coolest feature is the ability to export a single scene or all the scenes as PDF. I would rather choose the scenes I can export though, That's always a better setup. But whatever the limitations, finding an infinite canvas with decent exporting options is rare. And we're happy to see that because unlike most infinite canvases in different apps, the ones in Apple Freeform, you can have an idea of where one scene starts and where it ends. And that really makes a huge difference in how you create your notes in the app and if you want to export them. So this is definitely going to make working in Apple Freeform a lot easier for those that want to share their notes out of the app. I love what Apple Freeform is evolving into and look forward to seeing more updates. And since iPadOS 17 and everything that's happened, maybe this app actually deserves an updated review, which hopefully we'll start working on soon. What do you guys think about Apple Freeform in iPadOS 18? Do tell. We hope you guys liked this video. Give it a thumbs up. If you did, thank you, fantastic human, for watching. See you in the next video.